Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and PCP offers undergraduate programs in Pharmaceutical Sciences and Pharmacology, Toxicology. In addition, we offer master's and PhD in those fields as well.
The programs that are present at PCP are unique in the aspect that they are undergraduate pharmaceutical sciences and toxicology programs. They are unique further in the aspect of the one-to-one research opportunities that some students will be able to have access to.
When I visited here, I was just amazed by all of the labs that they have, and the faculty is so knowledgeable, and it's just a really hands-on experience. It's a small school, so I really feel like I'm getting the attention that I need so I can succeed.
We are very excited about our 4+1 accelerated graduate programs. During their senior year, students at St. Joe's can begin earning credits towards one of our master's degree, so they earn a BS and master's in just 5 years, saving both time and money.
The SJU difference is definitely the inclusion of humanity in medicine. There's definitely a larger focus on patients and ensuring that the best care is being provided, not just that care is being provided.